Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Facebook story music option. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Facebook, hit enter, and you need to update your Facebook application. So it will take few seconds to update. Then you simply need to go back and open the gear icon. Here you need to go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Facebook. Okay, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all the permissions from here. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and log in to your account on Facebook and click on create story here and select any image, and here you can see an option to add the music here as well. So here you can see that this is the music, and on the top you can see music option here as well that you can add into your story. So this is the process by which you can add music to your Facebook story. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.